Omo Akwabaziba oye ndaso and the page mezi to busumida yesha sinde busumida otodo oye eduni esia mechira 26 August 2026 but about that see that one man that etumin achihen na Kosa TV yen duhu shambo de biara izi oye nkomo pa na yana motu pa na nzama pa butumina ezabra nti nda ya baba can say na chede izi oye nkonhye sam no babra de maraso na izi oye kasebon baba na nkraten pensem no da maraso izi nkomobo itumina ezbaba na nda nkomobo no ye baba bono ye ba abaka afa oye emsafo na ye nduru nunum ana nduru bon nti oye women and drugs ano na nde oye otumfa lepe a hinsabaka oye narcotic control payifo ofinfirmantom na yiho botwetwe oye nkomo afohum ansa na eboko hene yime yenko hwe yenkete oye hinkwanhyesam nkwanhyesam hie papa nti ofibere to bere no da bia mutomekano no ba tane biara onye mbate abomazo no tonufu osafotun bobwa anenti na Kosa TV yenkwa enjahu echirin and then kwhyesam ayede to hene yime ayede a mistake is only wasted when you refuse to learn from it. A mistake is only wasted when you refuse to learn from it. Infomodoze obaya kwa na chede aye wadwene de enu nsua ensisa oya wo abrabonum. Infomodoze owoyimpa ho infomoda baba eha baba nanso ode etumi sua azefi aye infomodo na otomobem. Awode etumi sua azefi aye ha na otomobem. Ane na obuto ababo de masa mefi a na morokwa ha meto anama wa ha ma infomoda abaza na afi mashaso ha menanto sum no ahaw etuma aba askanka fo ahom aba ne dema na cha yamfum do nti ensan wo chirinka fo hobiem nti ayamfum da isua de foforo fiem america wonyim no ansa ne yedam fum de no biem anenti na yekade a mistake is only wasted when you refuse to learn from it. Nti sai wadwen de ani hwe bibia afiem fomode na aye nima na na dama na otomoti nti inde nkohyesem a yetum na ezrema wonyen nti yemamazin na fomode ba yentu ana marfofor na fi yema sisa ontum na ombra yakọ yemiza na no yanko nkiti oye hene kasebo a ofibere to bere no yetum na yezebro ende kasebo no yerefe bi efi oye abiase dominasi sende mpanyimfa wo krom ho ohena omahena kan ohene mpanyimfo uriza afisonko iboko kete ne mu nsam ne bi na maso na aban ne mpanyimfa wozen dwumazi etum na ahye honsa oguda wo ye hona afamezi na efi etum na aboa tamara na yebohwe te empepreza wa baba kansa wo ye oman ga na aje meketu pinjan no so no mu nsam tumutiden na piyok gekan na ndaso oya kasebon ibotum na ezabro yara shasisa yekwa kashasi efi oya abiasi dominasi dasebra kwebwe wuso to de sun onye ne panyifo asha afidi nasi beye da penokuru na number Kosa TV ze yesi yema bibiara ntofum da ntofi bere to bere no Kosa TV to anamar kohwe za otum na rekodo ti dependa yeshasi Kosa TV bomazin na fi kray ya bisi oye nde aneda abiaso dominasi omahin da sebekwe usi in pefetina senu no za wotu ya na waji oye nchia ihira soronko agechedi efi na ahemfo ahoro ho na owie no ozi kaseboto domeyim da afia kwa pro ebebi shenza oda yechimire chira do soronko mahino ho ye kai de ikro no pontu obehie biara yenkete da sebekwe usi ne sanu bia otomo kan
You. So
Yako hene misa yekijina wo interior minister honorable Mutaka Mohammed Mubarak kanizino hu ajina simpido achechire sim akwana pa ofibro to berodo abane hihye odo otum no oye na efi otum ochuchuma nkankan akwando kosakose nazema pi nyan na woze nzama tum na makwando na wonzi oye mrado traffic sompa waye hona adwenda wontum no uhuni kra nti yedum pempenso a awode obo maze na efi wotum miem nkankan obi otum no oreka henen na efi okita oye phone ombo kra.
We are currently rolling out the traffic check. The traffic check, how it works is that traffic offenses are captured on devices such as face cameras, mobile cameras, in-vehicle cameras, handheld devices, and radar system. The evidence is reviewed through a back office control room, after which validated offenders receive electronic notices with detail of the offense, penalties, and payment process on their phone. So you cross a red line, you then receive a text message. You cross a red line at in Sawam traffic, and at this time, and this is you, show you the evidence, and then show you what to do, how to pay the offense. If you fail to then pay, then now we'll go after you. So we hope that this is going to help minimize the carnage on our road. So it is covering over 47 offenses that people, we usually encounter on the road. With the MTT, what I'm saying is that if you look currently, based on what we are rolling out, I'm very sure it will be this September. The police will no longer come and ask to bring your, your driving license. They will not come on the road. IDP has already announced that. They won't come and ask to show me, bring your driver's license. This idea, you've crossed the red line, so stop. You've crossed the red line. The cameras have already captured.
Damin semi ne piyoke kahu na oye opeyina oye interior minister America na otomo dutuga nti ahona waka henen na fi wotum na wonzem bradun wansha ne so George Oparado ya oye mbebun boabo aninyi no cha CEO for oye national development na so ejina simpedo ɔde nsam namba be mepinyan ato nazima woyɛ timimfo enyim nkankan woyɛ bebun kyerɛnsɛm dɛ aban nanomto ne nsesa aboboa membebun etum na afone tampafrɛ ana ɔda aban na akomodo papapa nto ofebre to bere no ɔmɔmɔse na fi wonto nhyɛ ne so dɛ aban wɔ ɔyɛ ɛkɔnpa aboboa membebun etum ejane nado nto woto no fo den kankan durubon no no meyin no ɔda wotum no twon ho fi.
Journey to leadership can easily be derailed by drug abuse, violence, crime, irresponsible behavior, and other social vices. And in the last few months and years, we have seen a growing trend in young people acting more irresponsible. Our secondary schools have become a place where young people engage in all sorts of activities, one fight after the other. We expect our schools to become a place where we can engage in ideas. We can have battles of ideas, not battles of fists. That is not what we are training you to be. I therefore urge you to work harder, take up the challenge of becoming responsible leaders, and make sure that behaviors that will derail you and take you away from what you intend to achieve, you don't fall victim to it. I urge you that when you get opportunities like this, use it to network.
Tabin sami na pinyoro keka ho na oye church operado oye siu otomo azama oye youth development otomo odotuga eye kire de anamoto ayetumi yetunu no ebo made na fie yetumi ya hye so de ya ye aye mbebun ahoro aha na eze kese bo na ma be ne pesem yetum na eze brow so no so de pinye na yetum na akechir ye dan ho ya ba ibaza akechi biara mama waswa ati no yose.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwenso ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomeden semso fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane ama fango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Welcome to King Queen Properties and Investments Limited, your trusted partner in land sale, property investment and apartment rentals right here in Cape Coast. Whether you are searching for the perfect plot of land, a modern apartment or investment opportunities that secure your future, King Queen delivers with integrity and excellence. We don't just sell properties, we build dreams. Our expert team provide building drawings and architectural designs tailored to your vision. Choosing King Queen Properties and Investments Limited means choosing reliability, professionalism, and a future built on solid ground.
Nobi kanidia chewa anka udia usui ka ubetu di ipina ripa wani miso ya uche bia no fansa nakuko wani nobi nyawaye ripa wani miso minyae mesu mempamba Obinyawaye Enti miawani mawani sodi ya uwe Nadi obienyayo nwani dia Enko nkoshe uwa konfo Onyami afani bo enye de ya ubeto Obinyawaye Enti susufa o tutu profo mwe Yewe wona ni mretwe Adin sakra wo homo ti asifo Enti ngoku Obinyawaye Enti susufa o tibiye ibodero Obieni menuni Nansu onu mi nyame Ibrahia unidiye ubenya Enti bifa wani miso Ya uche biano fasa Nakuko wani Nobinya wae Bifa wani miso Binya miso Mempamba Obinya waye. If I were in his soul, Obinya waye. Inti kachire won't say. Kachire won't say me wani. Me wani. Kachire won't say. Onya mi remfi obia. Oh, enti mesubie. Enkwa ne hia o. Enka ne do. Onya mi remfi yo. Awani na ho binie. Awani na ho binie.
Assalamu alaikum baby mtiba oye nkrate ne mpese bi ohia ta kwa baze etumezema ando biara butum wo chana mo na efi otum na ba achara mo wa chwe ma hinwa ojode
so why we review
we efi
me just say
and ebushin ada
nse da chem so man practice ya we review
na want to be a can uska and jede no hu
here but practice
na yi ma wojiri amisa maka moachi wojima hino wojima bro na wojoda and if water ready da bi be
me ekoni
na ko fu ai wuchede
ma che ma jo
na what is it yeah me na che right, it's the mina seminity, Yababa cancer. Think I tell me person na yetum na yet bro. May match about a year Dolphina, and none may know if you have a boy, Mamba Bibli here, etum there every year pay. Intimidated a wasso bobwa, nephew, etumna, Osaka, Aya, Watchafa, or Oyan person, person. Yes, and some answers are a quackasas or your daily graphic and someone. Stroke rise among men aged 30 to 49 years. Hey! What's a stroke? Sisera or so. Papa. Okay, Jina, I am menina wedi 30 to 49 years. It's a health expert, not that I mention etumna atugwa.
No, my reason why
Ihuna Dr. Malvis or Saki. Na other than Mr. Tuga, or a Judah, maybe I'll call or in Calmanto. The your mom was in a few into me and Sanderson can begin. Send the issue I gun her stroke or stroke papa, the moon autumn no oracle. Esha, Nesamotum okay, or should be there. The country has recorded rising level of stroke cases in the last 3 years, with a number of going up in thousands per members. It's a doctor, what's the young again from the Ministry of Health. It's your mama's in a few and so pa na stroke or so the man doctor autumn oracle. Yetu anamara na yetu anamara abotum no abobwa na etum na akohine nti ye so damen sami ne pioka ka ho no owo oye daily graphic. Chamber of Mines Adams welcome government effort to review mine. Nti no so krata no za otumo ho bi so betum na maka chawo.
Okay, mama fire again the punch is with us and so as so. It is your DCE. Hospitals in Yamanema, Ghana, Adebakwa, in Pempino, Etadi, a maintenance culture. We usually do not maintain the facilities made available to us. Sebane Sanso facilities no essay. Na it's better say be maintain than say be train say facility no en say kra ansa na de ho adwuma. Enti sanse mu ebi na DC edema ahafo ano southeast ede etudwa. Okay, severe constipation can trigger intestinal pain. Okay, inti PWAC CEO ena ono so dey in some way to dry constipation uyobi a unhwe wedi die mu yie edwane na wudi no ade a eta cause constipation the mawa kai say intestines no o say no ane inti di edwane pa di edwane a ebema o system no bibia akoso yie senia sa intestinal pain yi ade a you won't go through. Okay, DCE distributes 1,500 bags of fertilizers to Ahafo Ano Southwest farmers. Okay, DCE Ahafo Ano Southwest. Okay, dia wache 1,500 bags of fertilizers at the ama farmers say omonfandi omujuma no. I think so. Nat Ashanti chairman urges government to place promoted features on skill. Okay. We soon in so Ghana National Association of Teachers. I'll make the elephant wild again, Dr. China says as he files nomination on Thursday. Don't abandon good projects over politics. Dr. Frank Amwakohene. Okay. Ghana hanum necessary say political party be an abandi basona obe putting up structures a beboa or minor. In Pempi, say sa particular political party na free so party na obedi ade no be hu say or abandon sa projects in yamfa saglami project here the NDC here some years back no NPP baso no they didn't maintain it. It wasn't in their no money ready say ade asa project no omoba be taking you on no my in here ba na facility no essay it is another party so baso na also ba be continue. The government loses a lot to maintain those structures into besre yem pinifo no amonhwe na sanyema we ni na amonhwe say eto ebetwa edi amai. Okay, nti we ni nsem bi so a ewo the Punch newspaper anope.
Okay, MPP yebi. Nesi say ndi so wa shase. Wo ye nkenti amno do egbe nsem ma ho bi ni ara. Yeko the News Central. Kratana MPP back Afre markings over 22 billion gold board losses. Nti no so no autumn no do. The mensami na etumabodogwa ehwa Harinana Boachi and national organizer MPP no the mensami etum atuga. Gofield played fairness. CEO Uganda to balance national interests with investment needed to sustain takwa nti no or katene nti kwafukata na musamudwaga. Afoko for played inclusive leadership nti no so za otumo hon foko no so the krata akọ nti osi yenyina yimbom democracy ke osi ne hinambom yi le chobi nudra butum na yakọ ene. Parliament to probe 22 billion Ghana cedis gold losses babi nti kasama fa ɔyɛ mbrɛhyɛ bɔgɔfie no ɔno no so ɔde dɛm nsɛm atumi na atugua.
Okay, and okay, a Supreme newspaper. And so say NPP demands full account of 1.7 billion gold board BOG losses. Gold board in sense I was say omunya mre no mo church mu Ghana fo nyina into sisi ano IMF ka say there's a loss initiated by the gold purchasing program, domestic gold purchasing program, and Afenyomaken, Honorable Afenyomaken, and so Eddie Abesuja say, idea or no blame me a gold board no because gold board no they the initiators of the domestic gold purchasing program. But of course, say gold board so empese obegia to mentisi no sa loss no why na Ghana ye be blame no. This is a big question for Ghana. Okay, NPP race Sylvester Tete secures massive endorsements in the northern regions. Okay, a growing threat to human rights in Ghana, malicious incitement and spiritual defamation. Okay, CJ Kozoka flees Bakpa over death allegations. Christian Tete Yohonu. Okay, Afoko returns to NPP chairmanship race. Now NPP chairmanship race, a lot of us are looking forward to what happens next. Cause Yatete say a chairman to me, although say he's in custody or if he has say Yatete say we're picking up nominations. Say on also person running for the national chairmanship race for the New Patriotic Party and Ura Paul Afoko, or also recently, he's playing a very beautiful role in the NPP party. Senator Damekano, he's now the unifying entity in the New Patriotic Party. So let's see how it goes. Whether chairman wants to me send your pen on a baby man. Said this time around, no, is going to be handed over to Paul Afoko. Okay. Maminfa the Metro Lens and Twaso. Gold board bans door exports. Okay, and see gold board. So see, I know what they are better to just say. Idea unprocessed gold, gold that you refining. There's no way say it can be exported outside. In their bid to add value to the gold that is produced in Ghana, no, gold board the ban aba or the Shishabia Base, Siciano. Was say Ghana you refining your gold no and sana ya exported the other countries. Okay, probe 22 billion DGPP losses. CPS demands says program design makes losses inevitable. Okay, when you see your gold board no 22 billion losses no okay, Greater Accra NPP chairman rally behind Titus Glover for national organizer. Okay, NPP demands full account of 1.7 billion gold loss, Bank of Ghana loss. Okay, Henry Nana Boache or NPP national youth organizer and so and a day in some way atuja.
Yeah, kuhenima, but I show that want to me. Why try some?
What you are saying? Okay.
So, you call a metro lens crater no gold board in some gold board band in some na no so ogudo autumn metro lens na autumn na nti all right you call a daily statement mom let's stop weaponizing our regions for political gain. Nti asораho na sama yet mi ya basna ha nkano suafo oya Mustafa Abdulhamid na wotum lo akwhye mama yemfa sораho ntum na yemfa hawa adwen kra na mama zenafi de musuna bani ya mama zenafi yentum na yenjay na onomboa oye na bravo ne bi ne so acheche nsem de 1.7 billion Ghana cedis no or the gold bonus some uma oye ehumafan intum na umbra CPS 2 assess 9 years of free senior high school. Nti no so or home nti akoto oyakata na wonsa butumunaka.
Okay, Mami Fa the Daily Gist and Twaso. Gold board is broke after Bank of Ghana exits. Gold board in Sensemi ekoso any losses here ekosi. Bank of Ghana nanka omonene the financiers of gold board, but to say amount for can say because of the loss accumulated ninti the Bank of Ghana has withdrawn from financing the activities of gold board. Okay, funeral joins Edu Boahen Sremsai together in Brekum. Okay, Chief Justice Nfoni ene Edu Boahen omunfoni na da hanem so mko shemu bia ekoso ewo Accra emu. Okay, Probe Gold Board 1.7 billion losses. CPS demands Afenyo Marken sues Sami Jemfi. Mr. Omar, some issue be by out say they are the senior members of the New Patriotic Party. Omar Samon Afenyo Marken say ombe yi ano ombe yi nano on the extortion claims made by Sami Jemfi. Now oba out ebeka say there false information. It is say we don't know who to believe. So man.
Oko court nti yesha court awotumoko. Sana binim so tumokeka kan waka kansa. This an appear ahwa yankata no ahwa iwuma na chaza awotumoko na nyida oye minority leader. Obanda wo smoke oil peace pipe bia still no on abranche Sami Jemfi on yinko oil court nti Brenda Krabia na henti yake za obuton bisi. Okay,
enti no so ne senia judgment be si wo courts bia ne bebo modern say ye de ehun sem enyina ebebrem. Alhaji Lotto is hot. Okay, Afoko spells out vision for NPP after filing for chairmanship. Okay, Paul Afoko so say anu file for a chairmanship for the New Patriotic Party na or aka nyama bebre or the nyama bebre etu dwa major nya edimu pa incabom unity or wish say ebeba the New Patriotic Party okay nti when so na nsembia the Daily Gist maye ene anope
then kusita krata no gold board samana na no so FB biara bi share gold FB bi share board no so otum no ho nti yamba mazene fi yentum na yensan so national policy dialogue on the otumor kodo oye nkranmanto obobwa ma oye etim na kan biara etum na akọ oye nenyim na abofom the man so na oye MPP we say we support oye onua pain afayi marking do mo mazene fi ontum onko na yim gold board samana no onko do no bisensam za odone yobi de chire ana obobwa yana man pain John Dramani Mahama afre oye mpayefo da umbra no mo bo ma pomedine samo ontum no onkwenyim papa amagana etune ya bo oye hona ho pomedine ofom etune ya bo ho.
Okay, Mami Fa the custodian and Twaso no cash for Ghana's licensed gold buyers. And the way so your matters arising here the emunsem bebrana obo modena saka the custodian newspaper ubenya emunsem no. Enough is enough. Osahene drags Sami Jemfi and others to court for character assassination. When Inano is about the claims made by a gold board CEO Sami Jemfi. These claims asserting say Afenyo Marken extortionist. Na Afenyo Marken so anyene de nti asem no de akokot say Sami Jemfi ombe provi nti no so the munsem ebebremo. Afoko files for NPP chairmanship. Okay, Zoom Lion disinfects MMDAs in Central Ashanti regions. Okay, nti Zoom Lion so they are embarking on a disinfection activity. They are going around the country. Or more Ashasi or Central region and Ashanti region more disinfecting the whole place. Senya Ghana Yapomudimun Sem Ebekosuye. NPP demands 1.7 billion gold board Bank of Ghana losses. Okay. Now, Ms. Omar, gold board, papers in the air 1.7. It means so 2.22 billion.
Sumbia asama no ncho sumbia asama wo kan asa nti yen hwe mbe na nka bia na bache
Sabe baby. Okay, mama fa the daily guide and so let's give Baumia United Party to win 2028 election. Paul Afoko. Oh, Paul Afoko me tene nsem wo papers ni mu ana minianche dwumedia odi esini ni so opese NPP unified entity no very good thing, very good. Aswa Bax Boache Ejako for NPP national chairmanship. Okay, nti aside Paul Afoko William Bempa Esua ono nso ade or Bake Boache Ejako for NPP national chairmanship. Nti aside Paul Afoko Boache Ejako enso obi nso awe ni tie say ono nso contested for sa dibre no. Okay, Zenato Rollins Ayariga face MP's grillings. NPP backs minority for inquiry. Okay. AJ Ghana executives call on Mahama. And when you send me a daily guide newspaper no.
The informal krata no so autumn no Middle East crisis drains Ghana 1.2 billion revenues and so Bank of Ghana no so autumn no Damarson about mere back minority probe into 1.7 billion gold bond losses. The man so him and paying etum achen some the kono biara dunum and yida etum na yeji here kura wo gold board or ye za wotum na one say etum na aka nti yen konkoze na fi etum na nkwen afai markings na no so wotum na wa there or ye ahuna wo kan or extortion some no the say or ye desa but mazna tum faba IMF won Ghana against complacency. Nti IMF so was the oya kokobo was ama oya Americana. Then we mama zenefi untum na onsho oya warababoy.
Okay, mamenfa the Ghanaian Times and Swaso nation's road deaths hit 35-year high. 2,949 killed on roads in 2025. Okay. Ghana. Bad roads and same year accidents I so Ghana due to our bad roads no there they better just say 2,949 and a year a phase 2025 no more almost free mo. Okay, and see a best way penny for say on na a giant year pine or my ye am my if any pankwa a home in here pa. Okay. Works and Housing Minister vows to revive abandoned projects a year opening or a year Works and Housing Minister ministry no esono idea or den same be abetu just say obebo ne homo den say a year projects ya abandon obi anka ho asem bi no idea obebo ne homo den say obehwe na edwuma biara ewo ho say won beye no omo beye no sa pepepe senia a kind call and developments ebeba a year on my Ghana. President Mahama commends Reverend Wengam for visionary, bold, and his leadership. Okay, and see when soon as Mbia ewo the Ghanaian Times.
The published Akrata no a Jaco file for MPP chair. The published Akrata no says autumn or 22 billion. No some goat or no some so. Oguda autumn no always a him. Babin okay minority good board showdown. Nti no in summer autumn no all him. Most of Hamid dismisses Islam fears. Well, oya za autumn no all sisi. Nti ano ze oguda autumn oraka. The Muslim ya. Okwana ba for the autumn na anyi ukwafo nkankan Christian funu atum na abodawre no ode ba mazen imo odosonko otum no gina.
Okay, the Chronicle and so I say I will work with Baumia to win 2028 elections. Goldfields seek fair treatment from Ghana. Okay. Tapa lease renewal hangs on balance. Okay. I'm in fire a year Africa Today and so Sayo Onupa de Jen Low and Kasabe and Kayana. Avenue Marking draws sword against Sami Jenfi and others. Okay, urgent search underway for missing person Sheila Papati. Okay, pressure mounts on Mahama as millions of unemployed youth and NDC supporters protest to demand jobs and opportunities. Okay, imebnupi you know idea nansenga nanse ejuma yen sensem ayene wo ho unemployment rate na akọ very high. Enti some youth effort to omo some demonstration de omo plea no ato aban nim se ne aban na ade aban no beye na apɛ ejuma ama emebunu bebre na. Okay, NDC security personnel at Jubilee House and ministries go 18 months without pay. Wow. NDC security personnel at Jubilee House and ministries go 18 months without pay. And perform here juma or anything. Ministries. Omoka into omoka be 18 months. Mostly the question is say we owner of a certain job. Employer. Na idea untia o employees no senior e was a 18 months. If your employees are going 18 months without pay, how are they going to be motivated to defend the job, put in their all? Idea best say abino enkanka as I say jumeku aya abino so enta nti omoka nurses bebre na ye imposti omo into omo card nurses need teachers omo asem aye ne wo ho ti best say abino ebehwe no aye eho bibi. Urgent search underway for missing person Sheila Papiti. Okay, MP begins construction of modern craft center at Agusi Market Square. Okay, into when is what the Africa Today newspaper
Yakura ni jakra kijina wo oye African Today sayo nimpa yara na otumogodo oye onia afwe marking asi oye samije fi ne bi na otumokan oye oko oye asimza pressure mount on Muhammad as millions of unemployed youths and NDC supporters protest to demand jobs and opportunities. Nti iso na otumoko ama mampe na so cha ya show NDC security personnel at Jubilee House and ministers go 18 months without pay. The mention that's the other the minister so about to go. Delegates you get to vote for Eastern Regional Chairman or NDC. That's the benchmark or tomorrow, not a benchmark. Can be added or busy or Eastern Regional Chairman for NDC Nefi Atumna Akwaim Papa Inti Nepinyoka Kauno Owo Krata Nefi Atumna Abwa. It's a krata no, painful, the man ever can. Inti daily updates krata no. No so the autumn or want to me withdraws from MPP chairmanship race no other no support no still now osi Baumia Nkwimzabo Tenezi or hot to Zaman Ankasa yin. I have done a lot for the party. I am not coming for selfless interest. I'm not selfless interest. Into no so or Dennis Ej no so that means etum atugwa Samojinapo honorable Ghana target 1,200 megawatts new thermal capacity by 2029. or Jinapo, not the Minsami, Etumna Atuga. I will be chairman for every MPP member, not one faction. Paul Afoko, not the Minsami, Etum Atuga. Ghana recorded at least 30 university students dead since 2024 as campus safety fear mount. So from 2024 basically university campus our human Ghana 13 yimpa no wotumna wa ahwero oya honokwa yema mazene fi yentumna yenhyane so Diami daily oya guide Diami daily guide NDC communication officer Edu defense emergency work to gold board, it does it. The economy is on recovery. NDC or regional youth working committee member, welfare director, so the economy of Gudu Alofa or any tamper Efra Metumna Akrin.
Okay, I know pay the source newspaper and so say political abuse threatens Ghana's religious peace. Okay. Gold board 1.7 billion loss. NPP vows to pursue full disclosure. Okay. National security one step ahead. Coordinator warns vigilante groups. NPP organizer rule race titles Glover. Fouls Accra chairman back him. Okay. Zoom Lions national fumigation exercise hits Ashanti region. Okay, Mamenfa the Accra Times and Twaso. New Unimark SRC boss pledges. Okay. Accountability and inclusive leadership. Busa North MC condemns alleged military brutality against Sandema residents. Okay. Anope Edino, so ma. Any easier. Bluk Bisa Club congratulates James Agaoga. Okay, Mrs. Edino Mamboni Yana on the Bechem. Yes. National Security Boss calls for together neutral enforcement. Afoko addresses delegates. Okay. Anope paper snacks and in Yakwe good board in Sensimia. Mamenfa the Discover and Twaso. Parliament to probe 22 billion DGPP loss. Speaker Pagbin. Okay, nti good word in Sensimia. Afi dia kopi mo Parliament nti gold board in penny for EBP mo hona omako yi ensem. Ano 2028 agenda. Baumia holds talks with new NPP regional chairman. Semenyo becomes first Ghanaian named in PFA team of the year. This is a win for Ghana. This is a win for Ghana. Urua Semenyo, the World Cup of Boma Ghana. Yes, now I better just say he has been named as the first Ghanaian in PFA team of the year. Semenyo and no baby Biara will be and congratulate you for this remarkable milestone. Gold board responsible for Galamsey Menace, NPP. Wow, we are very big claim so. The New Patriotic Party, Omode Abetu just say, Galamsey and semi ekosi, fana omode blame no, ebema gold board. Okay, we end the waha, send ya beba biano, the bebremo. Okay, inti when sense means so the Discover newspaper.
Yoko the Daily Banner. NPP back or signing over gold board saga. Inti no so za otumo Daily Banner. Akoto oyakata na unsabutumuna aka. Politics abuse threats Ghana's religious peace. Mustafa Hamid na ogudo otumna okasa. Want to withdraw from NPP chairmanship contest. Parliament to probe gold board 1.7 billion losses. Speaker Babin no so other than Minister Etum Atuga or the Daily Banner.
Okay. Mamemfa the voice, the national voice, and to also stop weaponizing religion. Mustafa Hamid to politicians. Okay, Yakawe and who assembled that. Parliament to probe 1.7 billion gold bond loss controversy. Okay, Wunsumi withdraws from NPP national chairmanship race. Okay, Senya na ye tititi won from him say a year Wunsumi Bernard Buesiako Senya ye tititi ye say all those say o prison with me asomanko for say omonko file a year for that position. Idea or the abesu just say we fully out from it or drain until maje a year oma file for that position for la foco and then as a for no or move it to me I am a sap pepe. I mean fire the metro lens and was so okay I'm said the metro lens repeating the daily search license we repeating okay daily analyst Wuntumi withdraws from race. CPS demands probe into 22 billion loss. I'm saying we so a repeating Stoma. And the papers na say a repeating.
Right. It's aha na den komo boni here I be so yan ka 10 person return is abro. Yakọ akadan ye hu ya ba. Kiti enyum kakra pasa hu evia nkomobo botum na obokodo da ma mezin kan make chiro no nda ebiti nkomo afa mba ni ndurbo no menyi women and drugs ofibere to bere no ye hu ne de other arahawa gen ankasa ti oye open pa aye nako regional director ne deputy Achiraba Alice DSN Alice baba nefi tumna ya bo oye nkomo afa na me nsamni nti yanda ye huna yemra ye ba zaki biare le boche
sukuu no wankwanwi enamoso ama enne baba bi pie ifi ha moma yenko na yenkotie
says she's on it
Amuyanke nawa kechilo ayakubuli bebrebe awakayo nemite gangsta yamani yamalofa mamu wasu anamankasam bichro rasa no sopa bate chipa nshenko ewu seboto nyaudi ashana fa Shedanka de mumini yanka Enyigwe anagai man Bialanchi ni fie yansa Mama chila modo Daddy mpo de wala foshe Mamba kebyo beye Na mashome siade Nasa yanku 70 de bia different story One no manase manum bia me yeah very boring No I can't change junkie Way my life make messy The addiction got me stealing. Now I come to prison. Sene umuwa abana kabada mansa. Nyako no answer man yo. Awake yo ne mente. No answer man yo. Ayanku bulu bebe. No answer man yo. School when you mo question baby. No answer man yo. Gangsta, I am a diamalofa. No answer man yo. One Sunday morning, I go drop my fee and I get for the church. I won't go ballin'. And Mutu special be me and my friends. We stand do mixes. We've been drinking alongside some guys. I make fine, still I want drive. Where I can knock somebody. So we rush and go hospital. Survivor chance so little. Doctor, yeah, still now I my medical board is an onion salwa, I beg you call my wife for me. Make she no say me the prison. What arrested by police. Drunk and driving me the reason. Send it over. Abana kabada mensa. Yanko, no answer man yo. I walk on the mente. No answer man yo. I am Google baby. No answer man yo. School when you move baby. No answer man yo. Gangsta, I am in the Abalofa. No answer man yo.
Boys are not smiling when you give us a day to day. Boys are not smiling. We dey hustle, we know they play. We dey hustle every day. All these tears no be play. We dey hustle every day. All these tears no be play. No go play. Boys are not smiling.